Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Health Elegance. Today I am going to share with you a short tip for blood thinning. This tip is most useful for high blood pressure, heart disease, skin diseases, heat and other diseases related to thick and toxic blood. Not only will the blood be thinner, will also be clean. Its potency is immediately effective, but use it with caution. Now start the remedy. You will need just one ingredient, which is garlic. Please do not use Chinese garlic. We need small sized garlic. Take garlic as required. Method: take out the water of garlic and dry it on low heat. When the consistency is such that it becomes a tablet, make a tablet equal to the black pepper and save it. If symptoms are severe, take one pill in the morning and one in the evening with normal water. Otherwise, use just one tablet daily in the morning. Keep using until you get your desired results. If you like this video, please share it, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.